I'm Shobhan Lakkapragada. I am Senior Director of Edge Computing. I lead product strategy for Edge Computing at Red Hat. So Red Hat Device Edge is a new product that we announced recently. It is a flexible and consistent platform that allows our customers and partners to build applications for the far edge. So think of devices such as point-of-sale systems, industrial controllers, industrial PCs used for manufacturing control applications. In manufacturing, there's a lot of smart production where they want to modernize their control systems, which have been very traditional up until now, but they want to bring the same software-defined innovation that we have seen in the IT world now to the operations technology or OT world. Footfall analysis is another key use case because large departmental stores, they want to optimize their product placement. So they want to see how consumers disperse once they come into the store. One of the big challenges with edge computing, right, which is top of mind for a lot of customers, is how do I manage all these hundreds and thousands of devices, right? So Red Hat Device Edge includes Red Hat Enterprise Linux, our build of MicroShift, which is a derivative of OpenShift, and it brings that lightweight Kubernetes, as well as Ansible automation for the purpose of managing this device. So customers can now manage at scale, right, these thousands of devices, whether that's lifecycle management of the software and the applications deployed on these devices, or monitoring, right, device health and so on. We've also been working with our partners such as Dynatrace and Veeam Kasten to allow them to support their products with Red Hat Device Edge. So customers can do observability with Red Hat Device Edge using Dynatrace, and they can do backup restore with Kasten. And that's one of the benefits, right? We're bringing the same OpenShift and Kubernetes experience to far edge.